Welcome to LEDLUCKY's backlit panel production line, an advanced automated system built to deliver quality, consistency, and efficiency. Here, every motion is calibrated, every connection is engineered, not just for efficiency, but also for excellence. Backplates are picked and aligned with precision. Automated glue dispensing applies adhesive with even flow, laying the groundwork for flawless assembly. LED boards and FPC cables are accurately positioned in backplates, followed by high-speed wire bonding systems completing two critical welding passes to ensure stable, long-lasting connections. The backplates with mounted LED boards are then placed automatically, and each unit is given time to cure, a pause in the process that reflects our patience for long duration and practical use. DC connectors are securely connected using quick plug-in terminals, and each unit is powered on for inspection. Only panels that pass the test proceed to the next stage. Diffusers are mounted by robotic arms with precision control, ensuring even placement and consistent optical performance. Backplates are then locked in place with precision, using automated screw fastening systems to ensure reliable structural assembly. Each assembled unit is lit up and examined. 100% testing, no compromises, no exceptions. Then comes the aging test, simulating real-world performance over time. Conveyor systems carry each unit forward through film lamination, final wrapping, and sealed packaging. At LEDLUCKY, automation is more than technology. It's our promise of reliability and our pursuit of perfection.